Have you had a temperature of at least 100.4 a series?
It would become the single largest vaccination weekend in Forsyth County since vaccinations began in late December. Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center, Novant's Forsyth Medical Center, and the Department of Public Health partnered with other community agencies to vaccinate more than 8,400 residents.
There we go.
It started with a news conference on Friday describing the effort.
Good morning. Appreciate you being here.
Volunteers and staff worked to vaccinate using the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine called Janssen on Friday afternoon and into the weekend.
You were all checked in.
The impact of the effort is found in the stories we heard. New technology from Wake had patients showing their phones with the QR code appointment and staff swiping it like a wand with a reader.
So we're using a technology called Rover. It's developed by Epic Systems. It started out in the inpatient setting for doing medication administration. So make the nurse real mobile. They don't have to lug around a computer, so they can scan everything by barcode.
A family working apart and volunteering together. Mom Lorraine Frank Lightfoot is the head nurse of the region for Novant.
Healthcare is not a competition. It's about taking care of the community.
Daughter Alex Lux, a pharmacy supervisor at Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center.
Between pharmacy and nursing, there's a lot to talk about.
Her husband Alexander, a software tech, but a young man with an appreciation for volunteering who found a way to help through the Forsyth County Department of Public Health.
I just decided, this is a good opportunity to really give back to the community, because all of the opportunities to volunteer really just kind of went away when kind of COVID started last year.
All three working the event together.
We used to volunteer for the Forsyth Humane Society, and then they stopped bringing volunteers in, as a safety measure, and we just enjoy volunteering and helping out where we can, and this seemed like a great opportunity to get the community vaccinated.
We saw Eric Aft, the CEO of the Northwest North Carolina Food Bank. The last time we spoke with him was after he was getting over a bout with COVID-19.
It's right at the end of March when I was diagnosed and was a guest of Forsyth Medical Center for a few days with pneumonia in both my lungs, and yeah, it was a pretty nerve-wracking experience.
He was down, but his team couldn't miss a beat. The community couldn't afford it.
We have seen anywhere between a 30 and 50% increase in requests for assistance, and a little bit heavier here in Forsyth County because of the concentration of service jobs.
He got the vaccine and likely is back on the job today helping feed the hungry.
Hey, how are you?
It was a special day for patients.
Yes, sir.
A step closer to normal. Dan and Julie thought it was special for more than just the vaccine.
This has obviously been, a dreadful thing for everyone, and it's changed our lives. So the sooner we got the vaccine, I figure the sooner we get back to something's a semblance of normal.
Gratitude. It's just a miracle that we have this scientific research and production capability that gave us a vaccine within a year.
They were married this day 39 years ago.
Well, our daughter called us with our relatively new grandson on her lap. That was special. We had lunch. It was the same lunch that we had, the same meal that we had every day on our honeymoon, which was Eggs Benedict. We got a brunch, and we're going to have a special dinner tonight.
I did a search for anniversary gifts, and the 39th is laughter. So we've been remembering funny things that have happened.
We hope they can laugh next year when anniversary comes around that a highlight of this year was getting the COVID-19 vaccine. The partnership of the three health institutions, the latest technology, the volunteer spirit of those making it happen, the patients doing their part to get us back to normal in their daily lives, and for those who saw it as a special day for more reasons than the shot, the weekend was a good stride on the path to recovery.
It's over!
I'm Ed McNeil for Forsyth County and the city of Winston-Salem.